Wagwan apples, welcome back to my channel.
Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my brow routine. So I already went ahead and gelled out my brows. Guys, you want to gel down your brows so it keeps the hair tames and just in like one direction, lay flat. And then I'm going to go in with my pencil and I'm just going to outline where I'm going to shade in. And you don't want to make this too big. Well, it depends on you if you want your brows thick or thin. I love mine in between, so that's what I'm doing right here. Now as you can see, I'm ahead with my brows. I love to use a black pencil on the tail of the brows, fill that in with the black pencil, and then towards the beginning of the brow I love to use like a brown pencil, and like I'll fill that in, then I'll use a spoolie to like brush it over and stuff until I get it perfect to like my liking. But yeah, so I use black at the end, and I don't use it heavy neither. You want to be light-handed when you're doing it. And then a brown pencil towards the front.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up.
Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty concealer just to clean up my brows. So pretty much clean up all the imperfections that you've probably made. And I always try to get that super sleek and nice, like, you know. And it gets better each time. Another thing before, like, this has nothing to do with the concealing part, but with my brows, I know I'm not the only one. I hate to see at the beginning of the brow when people have this like real light part, like almost like they don't fill in their brow, but they do like a huge part. A little is okay, but a huge part is like a no sis. But it's like such, I noticed like it's such a big trend in the beauty community, and they think it's cute. I think it's sloppy. It doesn't look good. Like they're talking about, oh, it makes their eyebrow look more natural. No, it looks more shitty to me, because like everybody already know it's not your natural eyebrow. So what kind of natural you already talking about, sis? But I mean, like a little is fine. Like a little faded is fine. Like I like mine a little faded, but I don't like when almost like a quarter or so your eye faded. It don't look right to me. But to each his own. Makeup is not a one-way street. You make it your own. You know, there's no wrong and right in makeup. So yeah. I didn't mention the brush I'm using. I'm using the F70 concealer brush. I love this brush so much. But recently I kind of like changed over my concealer brush, but I'm still using this. It's still a fave. And I'm just like, as you can see, using it to shape up the brows. After which I'm going to blend out the concealer, you know, just to blend in with my skin. Sometimes I do go in and I'll like use a brighter shade concealer on the bottom of my eyebrows, and then at the top I'll use like a darker shade that matches my skin tone more. But right here I was just using one tone, but most of the times that's what I do. I kind of love that look. I love it better than, you remember when this trend was out and people tried to get their top and the bottom super bright. I hated that trend, and I'm glad everybody's back to normal with trying to match your skin tone. So yeah, I like that look better. If there's something that I mentioned like that you guys do in your brow routine and you realize that I didn't do it, drop it in the comment down below and let me know what you think about the stuff that I've said, like the whole trend with the beginning of it well faded and then outer is dark. Like, I mean, a little is okay, like I said, but too much and then also the part when it was a trend with both of the above your brow, below your brow super bright. Let me know how you felt when that was a trend. I also, this has nothing to do with brow, but I also don't like when highlighter is way too brighter too. I kind of like a little bright but not too bright. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think, if you feel the same way. And also Comment down below what kind of videos you'd love to see next here on my channel. I would be more than grateful to fulfill it for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And like, you know, it's well appreciated. Support your girl. Share your videos with your friend, tell a friend to share it with another friend. This is the end of my video, guys. Until my next video, stay blessed. One love.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our